We never found 37C. They left this up if you wanted to walk up there and take a look. Let's walk up and take a look. Very cool, and it's locked.
Can you see in there?
Not really. You can maybe get a little bit of a glimpse, but
yeah,
not really.
It looks like some old upholstery. Oh, but some of it looks, well, some of it looks really old and some of it looks a little newer.
Yeah, see this one? Yeah. So this one they left open, but they took all the stairs and stuff off of it.
You have to climb up that.
Which we're not going to do, because I'm sure they don't want you to. But you could see in there.
Oh yeah, there's nothing in it.
There's nothing in it. It looks like they're renovating it. Looks like nice new walls and stuff in there. Very nice. You can make it into something like a gift shop or whatever.
Experience the most rip-roaring celebration in Tombstone, Arizona during Eldorado days. 3 days of gunfight, food access shows, street entertainment, fashion shows are just some of the scheduled events. And don't forget about the world-famous Eldorado.
I was just saying, somebody broke in here, and I don't want to be the one that's standing in there when that happens, but it's just a big open box. Now, this is a tour that you can do. It's a self-guided tour of the courthouse over there.
Yeah, I think it's cheap too.
It's like $7 a person. Pretty, man, they made some pretty significant buildings.
Yep.
And I think that back in the day, Tombstone was the county seat, so it wasn't Bisbee.
Oh, look it.
Yeah, everybody's dressing up. Very cool.
Oh. I want to talk to them.
Go ahead. I'm just filming the video.
Get up there. It's a pretty impressive building.
Yeah. Nice windows.
They've done a really good job keeping everything restored.
Yeah. Well, 1882, and it's closed right now, but they'll reopen it. You gonna go talk to your?
Yes.
Okay.
So I can take that picture.
Do it. You know, I'm just videoing, so. Take your tour. Just talking about the county seat. When we come back, we'll do the tour, but right behind this wall, you can see the gallows.
Oh yeah, I'll get a picture of that. What's that?
Yeah, I don't know. We'll go take a look, but wow, these people get no privacy.
Yeah. Oh, I like the mine shaft.
Yeah,
elevator.
that's to drop you down in there with this. Yeah, and I can't see it, but some of the gallows right there.
Oh yeah.
All right. So the John Heath hanging, we got this one in another video, but this is number 40, and I think there's, what'd you say, total?
One more.
41, and where's that?
41 is the Hoptown Chinese Quarters. But it says if you want to read anything about it, you have your glasses on.
Let's see, Rob. Okay, he robbed a store and killed 4 customers and a pregnant woman. It was the Bisbee Massacre. Dispatched immediately. John Heath was tried, sentenced 20 years in prison. Bisbee citizens were outraged at what they perceived as an injustice. A group of vigilantes went to Tombstone, broke Heath out of jail, took him to a nearby telegraph pole, and hanged him.
Oh my goodness.
That's the picture on the other side. That's that right there. So, all right, now we just have to go find the
10 Chinese quarters.
Yep. All right, so it's right here. This is it.
And it says there were 11 people in Tombstone of Chinese descent. By 1882, there was 250.
Oh, wow.
The Chinese section was located between 2nd and 3rd, with Allen Street on the north, Tucknut on the south. It was commonly called Hop Town.
Hop Town.
They ran laundries, restaurants, grew vegetables, and were laborers, houseboys, servants, and prostitutes.
Wow. So here's another on-duty bartender gets his reserved parking.
Oh, nice.
But check it. This is an Airbnb, and this was in the China Mary Inn. So it was in the everybody's on camera. So you got around here. Protect their stuff. And it's standing room only at the restaurants. Very cool.
Already?
So this was the Chinese quarter or section. All part of it. This whole corner, I guess.
Whole block.
Yep.
Well.
Make money with your hot dog truck.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, because not going to be stuff leaving here. This long.
I don't know.
I mean, we're in the right area.
Well, this is all the. Oh, maybe it's right here.
Oh, maybe.
So we're in Hop Town right here. So this whole area, and look, I love all the mining artifacts that are still here. And these you see out there, you'll still actually see these out. They still use those signs to mark the old mines. And look, mining cards. Big. Saw one of these in the Gleason. They had these giant A-frames to lift people and materials out of the different mines. Very cool. Yep, here we are. The Hop Town section. Yep, Chinese section. 11 people up to 250. Very cool. Was a wagon shop, and this was a coal yard. Yeah. Wow. All right, we've made the loop all the way around, and there's the courthouse again.
This whole block was Hop Town, I guess.
Yep.